YouTube family, welcome to another video. This is the first hair video of 2018, and if this is your first time seeing me for the year, Happy New Year. If this is not your first time, no, Happy New Year anyway. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys my quick review slash first impressions on the Dr. Locs hair products. The reason why I say both first impressions and review is because it is kind of like a review of the first time of me using it. So it's not like I can say I've had it consistently for a long time and I'm gonna give you like an in-depth definite review. This is my first time using it. I'm just giving you my first impression on the product from only one use. I am not a professional. I'm not a loctician. I'm not a loc guru. I never went to school for any kind of hair maintenance, hair products, hairology, nothing like that. I just make loc videos based on my experience of having locks for almost 8 years now, and just to show you guys my do's, my don'ts, and my experience from my point of view, from what I went through. So with that said, let's discuss the Dr. Locs products. I bought the entire 5-step entire product line, but I bought the sample size. I wasn't sure about the products yet. I didn't want to invest fully into the entire line, so I bought the sample size. I'm going to show you guys clips of my wash day routine, which is when I washed my hair, show you guys how I use the products, and then I'm going to come back and give you guys a quick recap of how I thought the products was. Would I recommend it? Yes or no? So the first one is the pre-cleanse, and this is the Dr. Locs pre-cleanse. It is used to pull up heavy flakage on the scalp. It should be used before shampooing. The pre-cleanse also should be used during times that the locking process doesn't permit washing. The solution will pull up dirt, leaving the scalp clean. I used the pre-cleanse before I washed my hair, and I must say I took notes on this little card here, so if I'm looking down, that's what I'm reading from. The first initial thought that went through my head was it smelled like apple cider vinegar. And I did check the ingredients, and apple cider vinegar is one of the ingredients in the pre-cleanse, which is awesome. Because apple cider vinegar, as you guys know, in the loc community, is good at really deep cleaning your locks and pulling dirt and debris from your locks. So the pre-cleanse, when I sprayed it on my scalp, I did a quick little massage into my scalp, and it felt really good. I felt like my scalp was already clean and that I didn't necessarily need to wash my hair. And that is a feeling that you're supposed to have, because it says you can use a pre-cleanse in between washes. Like for example, if you go to the gym and your hair is a little bit funky and you want to get that clean feeling before you wash your hair, or you don't have time to wash your hair for the next few days, then that's when the pre-cleanse come in handy. So it just basically gives you that clean feeling in between washes. And right before you wash your hair, it just helps to pull the dirt, helps to pull, you know, the oils and everything from your scalp and from your locks, so that when you do wash your hair, it's much easier. The next step was the Jinan shampoo. The shampoo, I will admit, because the bottle was so small, I knew this was not going to be enough to wash my hair. No cons to the company, no disrespect, but it was just, I knew, like, look at all this. And this is the size that was sent. But I knew ahead of time. I ordered the sample size, so I wasn't expecting much. So I will admit to you that before I used the shampoo, I used another basic clarifying shampoo just to begin the process, but then I finished it up with this product. What I can say about the shampoo is it gives your hair that squeaky clean feeling. Some people love that and some people don't. For me, I don't mind it, but I don't want that feeling every time I wash my locks. I sometimes want that really rich moisture infused feeling. But with this, my hair felt like it was squeaky clean, which is good because you know that your hair is clean. All the debris of life, like all the dirt, the debris, the dust is just basically gone from your hair. And that's how the shampoo makes your hair feel. The next product was the Jinan, hopefully I'm saying it right, the Jinan leave-in conditioner. I was a little bit skeptical by it because, as you know, in the locking community, conditioners, especially leave-in conditioners, are a big debate on whether you should put them in your locks or not. So it's like, But the build-up though, But what Dr. Locs claim is that this entire line is build-up free for your locks, which is why I really want to try it. But I'm like, leave-in conditioner, the build-up though. But they claim to be entirely build-up free. This leave-in conditioner is what actually helped to put the moisture back in my hair, because the shampoo left my hair so squeaky clean. The leave-in conditioner definitely helped to put the moisture back in my hair. It is not a cream base, which is perfect, it's wonderful for locks. It is more of a liquid based leave-in conditioner. For example, the first ingredient is rose water, and then you have coconut oil, argan oil, avocado oils, jojoba oil, and some other essential oils. But it is not a cream based leave-in conditioner. It is a liquid based leave-in conditioner, which is why it's okay to apply to your locks and you won't get buildup. And this is what added the moisture back in my hair. So I spritzed this all over my hair, the roots, gave myself a nice little massage as well to the length of my locks while it was still damp, and this is what added the moisture back to my scalp. It wasn't a crazy like oh my gosh moisture, but this definitely helped to put the moisture back into my locks. The next step was the Amani lock-in spray, and essentially how you use this is when it says for either interlocking or retwisting. What the lock-in spray does is like when you're retwisting your scalp, you just basically spritz this in the area, do a quick retwist, pin it down, and that's it. This will replace your gels, your locking creams, or whatever else you use to retwist your hair. Currently, I use aloe vera to retwist my roots when I do retwist, but this is a great replacement. Once again, the ingredients make it build up free. It's basically a water-based product. The first ingredient is deionized water, and then you have chamedula, I can't say it, Camellidium nobile, vitamin E, netherroot, sugarcane, witch hazel, and lavender, and that is it. And I was skeptical, like really, this is really what's going to hold my hair in place. It does a perfect, wonderful, amazing job. This did not disappoint. I used it to do my retwist, and then I dried my hair, and this is how the retwist came out. I'm not a big fan of retwist because I don't like all that scalpage, but I did it for y'all to show you in the video anyway. It really made the retwist really neat. It held it down, it dried, and today, as I'm filming this video right now, it has been almost a week. What the clips that you guys seen when I did wash my hair was Sunday, and today's Friday, so it's been a few days, and this is how the retwist is looking right now. Let me give you guys some up close. Still intact. Oh. So as you guys can see, it's been a few days and the retwist is still holding. I do a workout every morning. It's not like a heavy duty crazy workout, but I go on my treadmill for approximately 30 minutes every morning, and I do tie my hair down when I'm doing it, but I sweat in my scalp sometimes and the retwist still lasts. So that's really amazing. That's really popping. The last product is the Yaya oil. The Yaya oil is basically the finishing oil to finish off the entire process. As that sheen to your locks, as a great scent to your locks, and it just helps to lock in the moisture from all the liquids that you put inside your hair. So because this is an oil, the oil, you know, you put the liquid first and you put the oil on top, so the oil just holds the moisture into your locks. It smells amazing. I still have a lot left. A little bit goes a long way with this. As you guys can see in the clip, I massaged it into my scalp all the way to the length of my hair, and my hair just glistened. My hair loved it. It just really glistened. So this also is another awesome product. Now, my overall opinion on Dr. Locs is I would definitely recommend the company. I would definitely recommend the products. My locks love it, and I would definitely see myself repurchasing the full size. From the entire 5-product line, my favorite products, I would say, I don't know. The pre-cleanse is pretty dope. The pre-cleanse is really dope because in between washes, and I wash my hair every 2 weeks religiously, the pre-cleanse will come in handy for when I work out and I sweat in my scalp. So the pre-cleanse is pretty dope. The lock-in spray is really dope to me, only because it just makes retwisting your hair so much faster, because you just spray a good section and you just twist and pin, twist and pin. You don't have to keep dipping in the aloe vera or gel or whatever it is that you use. I use aloe vera. But you get to just spray a large portion, just twist and spin. So I thought that really impressed me, that I was surprised that I finished so quickly. And it's the fact that I'm not spending so much time dipping and getting more product on my hand. I already covered the entire area from the spray bottle, so that is pretty dope. And the yaya oil, I just love the scent of it. It just calms you. It puts you in like a really relaxed mood. The scent is very therapeutic to me. I know it's for my hair, but the scent made me just feel like I just want to relax and just light, and the scent is just so therapeutic. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. So those are my 3 favorite products. Shampoo is pretty cool as well. Like I said, made your hair feel really squeaky clean. But to me, shampoos are shampoos. You know, I'm very harsh when it comes to reviewing shampoos. I don't have a holy grail shampoo. The shampoo was pretty awesome, but it's a shampoo. It works great. It's a shampoo. And the leave-in conditioner was it was surprising as well. Because, you know, you think of leave-in conditioner for your locks and you're like, no, stop it. I'm going to get built up. But with this one, there's no way you can get built up because it is a liquid-based product. So therefore, I think I like everything. I know I'm supposed to pick my favorite, but I think I like everything. Overall, I would rate this system as more of a cleaning system. Like, you know, some shampoos you use or some locking products you use and you're using them to basically have moisture to your locks. This system, I would say, will give you moisture, but it's more geared towards really cleaning your locks. And for people that have locks, that's important because, you know, our hair is locked, so things can get trapped in it very easily. Dirt, debris, you know, so many different things, lint. So this line is particularly, in my opinion, geared towards making sure your hair is clean. Yes, it will give you the moisture afterwards. Not as much as some other products that I have tried, but this is definitely geared towards making sure your hair is clean and healthy. Clean, healthy scalp, clean, healthy locks, clean, healthy hair. That's how I would categorize this product right here. And I think that it's awesome. I would definitely recommend it. I definitely see myself purchasing the full size. The only con, I did have a con. The only con, and this is not necessarily something about the formula itself, it's just that the spray bottle items were cool. They were Gucci. I like them, the 3 items. But the 2, the shampoo and the yaya oil, maybe it was just only the sample bottles, but this plastic bottle is so hard. It's tough so bad. What I mean is you cannot squeeze it. You can't squeeze it. So no matter if you turn it upside down, let me try to show you. And try to get the product, it don't squeeze. You can't squeeze. You have to just basically shake it like this to get the product out. It's just so hard to squeeze the bottle. I don't know why. Ooh, it smells so good. Maybe the actual full-size bottle is more pliable and you can squeeze it, but the sample bottle, my lord, I was like, you need a Hercules squeeze. So there's nothing about the product itself. It's just a little glitch with the bottle. I mean, these are pretty good thick bottles, so it's not like a cheap flimsy bottle, but you just can't squeeze this. You just have to just shake the product out and you're good. This is a product line that was created by a loctician who was inspired by her clients. It is a Black-owned company. It is a small business, and you know how I feel about supporting small businesses, especially Black-owned, women-owned companies. I definitely love supporting them. And when the product is good, when the product is good, when the product is phenomenal like these products are, it just makes me feel even much more better about supporting them and recommending them to you guys. So Dr. Locs, yes, for when you want that really clean feeling in your locks and you want those healthy locks, definitely go with Dr. Locs. That is all for now, you guys. Any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. Let me know if you have tried the Dr. Locs products before. If you have, what are your thoughts? If you guys want to see a follow-up down the line of, you know, if I'm continuing to use these products, be on the lookout for my empties video. Whenever I do my empties videos, that's when I actually tell you guys a recap after a few months of me using the products, if I'm still sticking with it. So the empties videos is what really tell you if I really like a product. So look out for those. Also, if you guys want to see more of the products that I use in my hair, I did a 2017 recap video of all the products that I used in my hair in 2017. I'll link that video right above in the iCard for you right now to see. I mean, I'm gonna have another video at the end of this year, but if you just want to see all the products that I used in 2017 on my locks, definitely check that video out. It will be there for you. If you want to see a detailed video of how I retwist my micro locks, because my hair is so small, my locks are so small, I do have a particular way of retwisting them. You can definitely check that video out here. I'll link that one right there in the card above for you to see as well, and that will be how I retwist my micro locks video. That's all for now, you guys. Make sure you're enjoying your journey.